What's going on, guys? Fuller here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, and today we're telling you the 5 things that you probably didn't know about Hostile wheels. So usually the first thing I tell people about these wheel companies when we do a 5 things video is either they've been around for a really long time or they've been around for a really short time, but Hostile kind of sits in between. So they're actually a part of the MKW alloy family, which they've been around since the 90s. However, when it comes to Hostile, they were introduced at SEMA 2012 and were an instant hit, and were one of the very first companies to make 14 wide off-road wheels. So Hostile actually experienced so much rapid growth right away in the beginning when they were first launched that they had to take their California location and make another location in Florida to better serve the customers. Essentially what was happening was Hostile wheels were in such high demand that they couldn't make wheels fast enough. So they experienced a ton of backorder issues in the early days. However, most of that has been corrected. The third thing you probably didn't know about Hostile wheels is that you can actually enter to win a set right now on the website. So you come out, you pick up this limited edition shirt that we created, and you not only get a chance to win the Hostile wheels, any size, any finish, plus the Forge wheels, but you get a complete truck transformation package with wheels, tires, suspension, lighting, the whole 9 yards. So it's no secret that Hostile has some of the best finishes in the industry, and I'm not just saying that because we're making this video about Hostile, but truly, out of all the wheel samples we get, especially their Forged, right out of the box, they look, essentially just like what you're expecting. So a lot of wheel companies out there, if you're getting the Forged wheels, you receive them in, and it's kind of a letdown because a lot of times you still need to polish those guys up to get a perfect mirror-like finish. But with Hostile, they're almost like that right out of the box, so I'm super impressed by that. And not only the Forged wheels, the cast wheels are obviously pretty good too. A lot of their chrome cast wheels look just like a Forged wheel, so that really says something about their finishes. And they're always staying on top of things. Like Hostile was one of the first companies to come out with PVD chrome. Then they figured out that that didn't really work the best, so they got rid of it. But they're still at the forefront of new technologies to apply different coatings to wheels and different powder coat techniques to get you guys the best automotive quality finishes that you can get on wheels. So the 5th thing that you probably didn't know about Hostile wheels is we actually ran a set on CO2 and Junior had a set on his truck, and the reason why is because they're just plain sexy. So that's why we got this montage for you.